I'm a personal trainer with ACE. I've started a new program called New with Nicky, and I'm currently accepting new clients in the 906 area. My mission is to help women build confidence while reaching their health and fitness goals as you utilize me as a resource and tool. Today, we will be doing a full body HIIT workout, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
3, 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, I don't know about you, but that workout left me huffing and puffing and sweating. I hope it did for you as well. This is the kind of stuff that we'll be doing with New with Nikki. So if you like it and you're interested in it, follow me on Instagram, message me with any questions at any time, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Keep in touch too for the next couple of weeks because we have a special surprise coming for our project that we are creating for all of you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can see every time we release a video.